Today, we will walk you through the process of adding new pages to your WordPress website. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will make it easy. But before we get started, it is important to note that there is a big difference between a page and a post. Although they look similar in the WordPress dashboard, they serve different purposes for your website. Posts are used to create blog content, articles, and other content on your page. They are shown in reverse chronological order so that the newest content, your latest posts, is shown at the top of the list. Pages are static one-off type of content like your About page, privacy policy, contact page, and more. While the WordPress database stores the published date of the page, pages are timeless entities. For example, your About page doesn't have an expiration date. Sure, you can go back and update it, but chances are you will not have About page 2012, About page 2013, and so on. Now let's walk you through the process of adding new pages to your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your website's content and settings. Your WordPress might look a bit different from mine, but either way, this is how to add a page to your WordPress website. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Click on Pages. This will take you to the Pages section, where you can see all the pages currently on your site. Here, you'll find a list of all your existing pages. To add a new page, click on the Add New button at the top. Now you're in the page editor. This is where the magic happens. Start by giving your new page a title. Let's call ours About Us. Next, you can add content to your page. WordPress makes it easy with its block editor. You can add text, images, videos, and more by clicking on the plus button to add a block. For example, to add text, click on the text block and start typing. You can format your text using the toolbar that appears above the block. Type what you want your readers to know about your website, for example. I'll write, "Welcome to our website to add an image." Click the +A button again, select the image block, and upload an image from your computer, or choose one from your media library. You can also add other types of content, such as videos, by selecting the appropriate block. Explore the options to see what works best for your page. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Page Settings panel. Here, you can set the page's visibility to public, private, or password protected. You can also choose a parent page if you're creating a subpage and set the order of your pages. When you're happy with your content, don't forget to set a featured image if you'd like one. This is the image that represents your page when it's shared on social media or displayed on a list of pages. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish your page. You can either save it as a draft if you're not ready to publish yet, or click the Publish button to make it live on your site, and that's it. You've successfully added a new page to your WordPress site. You can view your new page by clicking the View Page link at the top of the editor. Now your visitors can see your new About Us page. Remember, you can always go back and edit your page anytime by returning to the Pages section and clicking on the page you want to update. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!